Is this where it fails, right here? Is this? Hey y'all, Connie here. So, I love to craft, but there are two big problems when it comes to doing like a DIY project. One, can I even do this project? Two, couldn't I just buy it somewhere for less money, less time, and like less problems? So, we're gonna try to tackle that today. Here's the plan. I'm gonna go onto Amazon and I'm gonna find a craft that I think that I can duplicate. Then I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna go to the store, buy materials to craft it, make it, compare the two. Then I'm gonna tell you guys if you should craft it or if you should just like cut your losses and buy it. All right, to Amazon. Okay, here is the thing I got on Amazon. As you can see, it's a macrame woven wall hanging, and I'm regretting it already. The biggest issue that I have is I don't know how to macrame. Also, it's only $19.99. Back from Walmart, where they did not let us film, I got this dowel. I got 300 feet of this diamond braid clothesline, which I think is way more than I need, but go big or go home. So it's $11-ish, so it's about half right now of what you would pay on Amazon. It's looking pretty good for the crafting option. After really checking out this Amazon piece and looking at way too many macrame sites online, here's how this thing breaks down. You have your piece of string, separate knot sections, and then you have to cut it into some kind of triangle thingy at the bottom, and you'll witness if that works or not. Not. A pun. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Boom, baby. Look at that! Watch me whip. Watch me macrame. That's one side down. Now you gotta flip it, I think, and then do the other side down. Yeah, that sounds right. Look at that! So worth the minor meltdown that almost happened. This is reminding me of a giant lanyard. All those moments at camp, all paying off. Okay, let's try my hardest to find what this middle knot is. Looks like a flower or a square. I do not know. I cannot find it. I'm going to try to bluff something. All right. Oh my gosh, we are so close to being done! Last knot. The last knot is happening right now. The last thing that we have to do is that we have to cut the bottom into a triangle to match the layers that we've done. Macra, yay! It actually happened! I'm really just so happy with this. It came out way better than expected. Amazon Prime has delivered a package for me. Oh, there it is. Look at that, you guys! So here are the immediate differences I'm noticing right off the bat. Of course, you have price, time, and size, which includes my rope, which is a little bit thicker than the macrame cord, and obviously mine's longer than the Amazon one. The thing that really takes this over the top for me, though, is the customization aspect. The Amazon order is one size fits all, which is totally fine, but the crafty piece is like completely customizable, knots and all. Macrame is like such a cool skill to pick up, and it can be used in tons of different things, so I think it's totally worth your time to learn it. Since I'm pretty obviously biased as I made one of these, I'm gonna take them around the office and see what other people think. Okay, Jessica, I'm gonna show you two things. I just need you to tell me which one you would put in your house, okay?
In my house, not on my body. Okay.
No.
Why is it?
I made this one!
You made this? Yes! Whoa!
That one. I like this one. I kind of like the Western one more.
I like them both. I like this one more. Which one's yours?
This one's mine! Okay, so it seems like we had a pretty clear winner this round. Seems like crafting it is the one that people prefer. So get out there and macrame somebody's day. Ooh, that's what you're gonna end on? Yep, I'm standing strong with it.